This is another pointless video brought to you by Ra123.
Someone said to me that the kitchen is the most boring part of the house. I set out to prove them wrong.
When I'm in my kitchen, things just jump out at me.
Spoons!
This works! Banana! Dreamweaver! There's just so much love in my kitchen. Earlier on, I caught up with two musicians. So tell me, guys, what's the life of a musician like? Backstreet's back!
Alright!
Garlic bread.
Garlic. Making facial hair with bags.
Do you think my beard's swelled up?
They say you lose your mind in the kitchen. I say you lose your kitchen in your mind.
That's crazy talk!
So there you
Can
have
we
it.
leave the kitchen?
Hello, I've got an onion.
So tell me, what's the coolest part of your house? Hey, and don't forget to subscribe. Did I say that right?